Garden plants may look calm and healthy on the surface, but beneath the leaves, a silent battle is always happening. Tiny insects, almost invisible at times, are constantly feeding, sucking, chewing, and spreading from one plant to another. What starts as a few spots or small bites can quickly turn into yellow leaves, stunted growth, and even complete crop loss. These garden pests don't just damage plants, they weaken their strength, reduce yield, and destroy their beauty. Understanding these insects is the first step to protecting your garden, because once you recognize the signs early, you can stop the damage before it becomes irreversible. 1. Aphids. Aphids are small, soft-bodied insects that often appear in clusters on the undersides of leaves and tender stems. They feed by sucking plant sap, which weakens the plant and reduces its ability to grow properly. As they extract nutrients, leaves may curl, wilt, or turn yellow. Aphids reproduce rapidly, leading to large infestations in a short time. They also secrete a sticky substance called honeydew, which attracts ants and promotes the growth of black sooty mold. This mold can block sunlight from reaching the leaves, further reducing photosynthesis and overall plant health. 2. Caterpillars. Caterpillars are the larval stage of moths and butterflies and are well known for their strong appetite for plant leaves. They chew through foliage, often leaving behind visible holes or completely stripped branches. Some species feed continuously, causing severe defoliation if not controlled. Caterpillar damage reduces the plant's ability to perform photosynthesis, leading to stunted growth and reduced flowering or fruit production. In vegetable gardens, they can destroy crops quickly. Their feeding activity can also expose plants to secondary infections, as damaged tissue becomes more vulnerable to bacteria and fungi. 3. Whiteflies. Whiteflies are tiny, winged insects that typically gather on the underside of leaves. When disturbed, they fly up in a cloud, making them easy to identify. They feed by sucking sap from plants, which causes leaves to turn yellow, dry out, and eventually fall off. Heavy infestations can significantly weaken plants and reduce yields in crops. Like aphids, whiteflies also excrete honeydew, encouraging the growth of sooty mold. This mold coats leaves and reduces the plant's ability to absorb sunlight, further limiting growth and overall vitality. 4. Spider mites. Spider mites are extremely small pests that are difficult to see without magnification. They often live on the undersides of leaves and produce fine silk webbing. These mites feed by piercing plant cells and extracting their contents, resulting in a speckled or stippled appearance on leaves. Over time, leaves may turn yellow, dry out, and drop prematurely. Spider mites thrive in hot, dry conditions and can spread quickly. Severe infestations weaken plants significantly, reduce photosynthesis, and may lead to complete plant decline if not managed properly. 5. Mealybugs. Mealybugs are small, soft insects covered in a white, cotton-like waxy coating. They are commonly found in leaf joints, stems, and protected areas of plants. Mealybugs feed by sucking plant sap, which leads to stunted growth, leaf yellowing, and weakening of the plant structure. Their feeding also produces honeydew, which attracts ants and encourages fungal growth. In heavy infestations, plants may become deformed and stop growing properly. Mealybugs can be particularly damaging to indoor plants, ornamental plants, and fruit crops due to their persistent and hidden feeding habits. 6. Thrips. Thrips are tiny, slender insects that are often hard to detect without close inspection. They feed by scraping plant tissues and sucking out the cell contents, leaving behind silvery or discolored streaks on leaves and petals. Thrips commonly damage flowers, buds, and young leaves, causing deformities and reduced aesthetic and commercial value. In severe cases, flowers may fail to open properly, and fruits may become scarred or distorted. Thrips can also transmit plant viruses, making them especially harmful in agricultural and horticultural settings. 7. Scale insects. Scale insects are small pests that attach themselves to plant stems and leaves, appearing as tiny bumps or shells. They remain stationary for most of their life cycle and feed by sucking sap from the plant. Their feeding weakens the plant, causing yellowing leaves, reduced vigor, and branch deep. Like many sap-sucking insects, they produce honeydew, which leads to sooty mold growth. Scale infestations can be difficult to control because they often hide under protective coverings. Over time, severe infestations can lead to significant plant decline and reduced productivity. 8. Grasshoppers. Grasshoppers are larger, jumping insects with strong hind legs and chewing muscles. They feed on a wide variety of plants, consuming leaves, stems, and sometimes flowers. Grasshopper feeding results in irregular holes and significant leaf loss, which can severely impact plant growth. In large numbers, they can cause extensive damage to crops and gardens in a short period. Their feeding reduces the plant's ability to produce food through photosynthesis, leading to stunted development and lower yields. Grasshopper outbreaks can be particularly destructive in open fields and dry environments. 9. Leaf miners. Leaf miners are larvae of certain flies, moths, or beetles that live inside leaves. Instead of feeding on the surface, they create tunnels or mines within the leaf tissue. These mines appear as winding lines or blotchy patterns on leaves. While the outer surface remains intact, the internal damage disrupts the plant's ability to photosynthesize effectively. Severe infestations can reduce plant vigor and cause premature leaf drop. Although individual larvae may not kill a plant, repeated infestations weaken it over time and reduce overall productivity and health. 10. Beetles include many species that feed on garden plants, using their strong chewing mouth. Adult beetles and their larvae can damage leaves, stems, flowers, and even roots depending on the species. Their feeding often results in holes, edge damage, or skeletonized leaves where only veins remain. Some beetles are active at night, making their damage less noticeable until it becomes severe. Heavy beetle infestations can significantly reduce plant health, slow growth, and limit crop yield. In agricultural and garden settings, beetles are considered major pests due to their feeding habits and adaptability. In the end, protecting your garden is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing habit that makes all the difference between struggling plants and a thriving, productive space. Many gardeners focus only on watering soil and sunlight, but true plant care goes a step further. It requires careful observation, early detection of problems, and a willingness to act before small issues turn into serious damage. The insects we discuss, like aphids, caterpillars, and whiteflies, may be tiny, but their impact can be massive if left unchecked. A single unnoticed infestation can spread quickly, weakening plants, reducing yields, and even destroying entire sections of your garden. However, the good news is that most of this damage is preventable. By making it a habit to regularly inspect your plants, looking under leaves, along stems, and around new growth, you can catch problems at an early stage. Early signs like small holes, yellowing leaves, sticky residue, or unusual spots are often warnings that should never be ignored. Taking timely action doesn't always mean using harsh chemicals. Sometimes simple steps like removing affected leaves, washing plants with water, or introducing natural predators can effectively control pests. The key is consistency and awareness. The more closely you observe your garden, the better you understand its needs, and the faster you can respond to any threat. Remember, every healthy leaf plays a role in the plant's ability to grow, produce food, and stay strong. Saving even a small part of your plant today can lead to better growth and higher productivity tomorrow. A well-maintained garden not only looks beautiful, but also becomes more resilient against future pest attacks. So stay observant, act early, and care for your plants with intention. When you do, your garden will reward you not just with growth and beauty, but with abundance, satisfaction, and the joy of knowing you protected something truly valuable. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, stay connected and don't forget to follow along. In my next video, I'll be sharing simple home remedies and the best insect control tonics you can use to protect your plants naturally and effectively. These practical methods will help you manage pests without harming your garden. So make sure you stay tuned and don't miss the upcoming video on this topic. See you in the next one.